Hello everybody. This lesson is about the theory of student involvement of Alexander Astin, and it is for graduate students of Universidad de Chile. This lesson will have 3 classes and it will start in November 21 with the concept of student involvement. What really matters in this theory, it is what the individual does, what the student does, how he or she behaves. In this lesson, the student will also know about the 5 principles of student involvement. The principles of student involvement will also include examples. The idea is that adult learners will make connections and they will activate the long-term memory. Every slide will be simple in order to reduce cognitive overload. In the first activity, adult learners will pause and share comments about their own experience, and they will show the activity that they like. In the class number 2, adult learners will reflect on the risk of being over-involved in an activity. The class number 2 will start on December 15, and the student will also talk about the importance of being connected with faculty. Adult learners will see 2 definitions of retention, and they will have to compare them in activity number 2. Adult learners will have to talk and make some recommendation about how to not be over-involved. They will have to collaborate and interact. Adult learners have to choose the best definition for retention to make knowledge useful. In the second part of activity number 2, adult learners will have to choose an article and make a critical review about it, because adult learners are self-directed, and the idea is to promote learner-centered experience. This lesson has meaningful concepts for adult learners like self-efficacy. Another important concept for adult learners it is persistence. Adult learners will have to interact and collaborate with a partner solving a puzzle. They will have the answers within the parentheses. The idea is to reduce cognitive overload. And all the information must be accessible for them. And this is the reference of the lesson. The activity number 3 will end up in December 22, and then we have to celebrate between goals.